Hello everybody, this is Wally Marshall. Have I got a tip for you? For your next outing, fishing trip, camping, whatever you're doing, when you're out on the lake, you're totally dependent on your equipment. Your boat, rods, reels, tackle, knives, and everything else has to be top notch and ready to roll. And when you reeled in your last slab, it's time to clean your catch. The most important tools for cleaning fish are your fillet knives and knife sharpeners. Nobody makes better knives and sharpeners than Smith's, and now they got the whole new line of Mr. Crappie products. Check it out. You'll be glad you did. Rule number one, have fun out there and stay sharp with Smith's. Check out all their great products at smithsproducts.com.